Hey there guys, so today's sound effect is really simple. I basically just recorded a fly buzzing around in our kitchen window with my Zoom H4n. I had my levels turned up pretty high. I think we had the preamp turned up to around 70. Because the sound of the fly was recorded so close to an exterior window, we had some rumbling from cars and like lawnmowers outside. So I simply applied two different equalizers and pulled the bass frequencies as low as I could with both of them, just to make sure that any remaining sound of machines from outside would be completely filtered out. Now, I did try applying this compressor to the sound, but I found that it made the noise from the preamp way too prominent. Aside from that, I just had to max out the amplification on the track because the sound of the fly is really quiet and I just needed to boost it up to get it to the right level. And aside from that, guys, that's about it for this sound.